Discover the beauty of marble texture coating. Suitable for both interior and exterior applications, it offers easy pliability in nooks, corners, and contours. We customize.
Most high-quality finishes are formulated to be resistant to algae. It is much thicker and can last for many years.
Discover the beauty of Granules wall texture. Highly resistant to heavy rain and harsh weather, it offers high durability. Made with natural quartz,